like this. I'm just gonna check on the dumpster. Nothing today. What? Whoa! A blue old Chevy. I wonder what does it start actually. Yeah! It starts, guys! Yeah! There's a ramp right there. Yeah! That was a sick landing. Huh. I wonder whose car is this place shut down right now. I did not know that. I'll see you when we at the dealership. Yo, this car just broke down. Maybe that's why no one didn't want this car. What's that coming? Start. Gotta get out. Oh, flip, he shot my tire. Oh, no, that's bad. Oh. Okay, just keep driving. Ignore the red lights. Oh. Okay, look right over here. See, guys, there's another murder. Okay. Where did I even go? I'll see when we... So, guys, I got out the vehicle. I pumped it up, but right now I'm just gonna leave this open to check this crime scene. Ooh, report to the police. Sure. Oh, I got money. Sick. Who's that? I don't know, but... A SOS. Not the SS. I've never seen those. So now I'll see you when we at the dealership. Oh, hi, kitten. Sorry, guys, but the guy said they have to take this in. Let me just give it to the guy to check it. Here, sir. So I'll see you. Okay, I gave the keys to the people, and they said this is the brand new car. Just a sec. Sorry, guys, I had to run because that wasn't my Mustang. They said it's a blue car. Hey, sir, is this yours?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Seems like this is it. Open. Okay, I'm at my job now. Oh, I definitely broke the wheel. It's a little twisted, but I'm at my truck. Let's see what's inside. Guys, did you see that? That's poison. That's eggs. I'm gonna do something. Okay, I gotta drive this thing out of here. I'll see you when we there. So guys, I turned my Mustang into this thing. What's up, kid? I heard you wanna race me. Yeah. That's 525,000. Actually, 500 speed. Whoa. What race are we gonna do, huh? Gonna stop right over here and do it right now? Or are we just gonna hop out our vehicles and talk? Where are we gonna do it? Oh, you parked your lame old car right here. I don't even have a school car. Bro, why did you welded your front? Huh? Let me see that engine. Ew, poor. Look at mine. It's an airplane engine. You hear that? Well, let me talk into it. Hello. 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 You see? Oh, let's race now. Got it? So, guys, this is the end of the video. See you at part 2. Me and Kid are gonna race.